Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration. Don't have water in it yet, just to make it easier. This is your power button. This will run for a certain amount of hours, the light, and the pump. You can feel the pump vibrating. This is for your vegetables. You can tell that the light changes. As you can see, light changes. That's for the vegetable mode. This goes inside here. So, I really like this planter. Comes in a nice package. Um, Also, you have for fruits, you can see it's a different color. If you want vegetables, you use this color. It's supposed to keep 10 centimeters away from the actual plant. So, in the beginning, you probably go like this high, and then as it grows, you increase. It's a manual increase. It's kind of stiff at first, but over here shows your temperature and your pH. Tells you when to add the water. As you notice it's blinking because I have no water right now. But that is essentially the only thing I really don't like about this is the power cord is over here. Instead of them routing the wire through this, and put it in the back. For some reason, they place the power cord here. Also, this comes up, so it's easy to remove. You can disconnect the pump. This is where the pump connector goes. So you can take this off, take your planter, fill it up with water without risking the electronics. I just noticed, you guys won't be able to see it, but there's red, blue, and white LEDs in here. I don't know if you might not be able to tell, but there is. And then and then the blue one gets removed when you change to fruits. So I guess vegetables like some blue light. So there's all three colors LEDs in here. Let me shut off the power. Maybe you won't be able to see it, but there are different colors. There are different LEDs and stuff, and there's plenty of them spread out, so they alternate. But yeah, that's it. So I really like this unit. Like I said, they could have done a better job with this cable over here, put it through the tube, put it in the back over here. It would be much, more elegant. But that's where they chose to put it, so that's where it goes. This fits inside here, just like that. You simply push with your thumb, take it out, and that's it. So very easy to operate. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna soak my seeds, soak the planters. These planters, you gotta soak them in water so they'll expand. And then we're gonna plant some basil, and then you guys know how that goes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making for you guys, and take care.